Good day, everybody. Welcome to another episode of our Math Theater by Jimoh Lukman Olakunle. In this video, like we promised earlier on, we'll be talking about addition and subtraction of fraction. Previously, we've discussed about fraction, that we have three types of fraction: proper, improper, and mixed. And we've talked about the conversion of improper fraction to mixed and mixed to proper. So here we're talking about addition and subtraction of fraction. When we have 1 over 3, which is a proper fraction, plus 1 over 4, which is also a proper fraction. So the first thing we are going to do here is to find the LCM. The LCM of the denominator. LCM of the denominator. So the denominator, as we know, is 3, 4. How do we find the LCM? When we remember our primary school days, we do something like this: 3, 4. We start from the minimum number, which is 2. Can 2 go in 4? Yes, 2. 2 in 3 impossible, we write 3. 2 in 4, 2. 2 in 3 impossible, we write 3. 2 in 3, 2 in 2, 1. Then we use 3 now. 3 in 3, 1. 3 in 1 impossible, so you write your 1. So our LCM will be 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. So the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So we find the LCM, 12. 3 in 12, 4. 4 times 1, 4. 4 in 12, 3. Then we now multiply by this one. 3 times 1, 3. So this is clear now. 4 plus 3, 7 over 12. That is clear. So when we have, for example, we have 2 over 3 plus 3 over 4. Yes. The first step again, we find the LCM. LCM of denominator. That is 3, 4. We have done it here before, but for the purpose of revision again, we have 3, 4. 2 in 3 impossible, write 3. 2 in 4, 2. 2 in 3 impossible. 2 in 2, 1. Then 3 here, 1, 1. So 2 times 2 times 3, which is 12. So the LCM is 12. We write 12. 3 in 12, 4. 4 times 2, 8. We write our 8. Plus 4 in 12, 3. 3 times 3. Then we have our 9. 8 plus 9. We have 17 over 12. Wow. This is what? This improper fraction. Big one is up, small one is down. So 12 in 17, we have 1. Remainder 5. 17 minus 12, 5. So 5 over 12. If you have to convert it back again, 12 times 1, 12 plus 5, we have 17. So here, this is how to solve for addition of fraction. We can also have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. Like we said, the first step here the first thing to do here is what? Is you find the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 3. You come to a corner here, you write your 2, 3. 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 3, impossible. You write your 3. 3 in 1, 1. 3 in 1, 1. So now you are left with 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is what? 6. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is what? 6. So what are we going to do here? Find the LCM. We write 6. 2 in 6, 3. 3 times 1, 3. Plus 3 in 6, 2. 2 times 1, 2. That is 5 over 6. So that is fraction. That is all about addition of fraction. It's almost the same thing as, okay, that's all about addition of fraction. For example, again, assuming you are given one whole number 1 over 2 plus one whole number 1 over 3. You can use two ways to solve it, but I do advise people that they do try their best in converting it to improper fraction. You can either convert to improper fraction or you add them one by different method. The first method, let's use the first method which I do recommend. Method. Let me divide this into 2. So we have 2 times 1. You convert to improper. 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3. You have 3 over 2 plus 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 over 3. So here we have our fraction again. The first, like I told you, the first thing we are going to do is find the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 3 is, we have done it here, is 6. So you find the LCM, you write 6. 2 in 6. 2 in 6 is what? 3. 3 times 3, 9. Plus 3 in 6, 2. 2 times 4, 8. So we have our what? 17 over 6. So here, 6 in 17, that is 2. That is 12. 17 minus 2 is 5. So 5 over 6. The second method we can use is that we plus the whole number first, like doing it like this: 1 plus 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. So 1 plus 1, we know is 2. Then if you have to add this together now, to be the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, like we said. 2 in 3, 2 in 6, 3. 3 times 1, 3 plus 3 in 6, 2. 2 times 1, 2. So we have 2 plus 3 plus 2, 5 over 6, which is the same thing as 2 number 5 over 6. The same thing here. Mostly I prefer using this method. You convert to improper first before you solve it. The same thing applies. The same method you use for addition, use it for subtraction also. When you have 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3, find the LCM. The LCM of 2, 3, we said is what? 6. So if we find the LCM, we have 6. 2 in 6, 3. 3 times 1, 3. Minus 3 in 6, 2. 2 times 1, 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 over 6. The same method. The same method. So when you have like 3 over 4 minus 1 over 3. Like we said, the first thing to do is to find the LCM if they are all improper fraction or improper fraction. Find the LCM. The LCM is what? The LCM of the denominator, which is 4 and 3. The LCM of 4 and 3, we have done it here, is 12. Its constant is 12. So when you write your 12, 4 in 12, 3. 3 times 3, 9. Minus 3 in 12, 4. 4 times 1, 4. Then you have your 5 over 12. The same principle guides addition and subtraction. So let's do this. 1 whole number 1 over 2 minus 1 whole number 1 over 3. So here, if you are to do this using the method I told you, convert to improper fraction. 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3 over 2 minus 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, 4 over 3. So here we find the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 3, we said is 6. 2 in 6, 3. 3 times 3, 9. Minus 3 in 6, 2. 2 times 2, 8. The same thing we got here, just the sign. So 8 minus 9 minus 6, 9 minus 8, we have 1 over 6. So that is it for this. And also when you have your, like this method here, it will be 1 minus 1, whole number for whole number. Then you do 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. 1 minus 1 will definitely that it is 0. So this one we can't go. So you will be left with 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3, and we have done it here. The answer we got is 1 over 6. You can see. But I prefer you convert to improper fraction first, so to get the proper answer and to make it easier. Thanks for watching this video. In the next episode, we'll be talking about multiplication and division of fraction. Thanks.